Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video is guys how to disable phone location in Vivo phone. In this video guys I will show you how can you disable phone location in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends I want to tell you if you new my channel and you are watching video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting to disable phone location. Then guys click on location setting. The location setting is you want to click here. Then guys you can see phone location you want to disable. So you can disable means guys off. So you can disable from here, touch here. Then guys phone location will disable in your Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to disable phone location in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.